Yo, what is good, everybody? How y'all doing today? We out here. I don't know if the 32 ND strength motherfucking shit's gonna be too strong. It's gonna look like nighttime out here for y'all, but I just really like the way it looked in the last video, so I wanted to keep it on, but the sun keeps going behind clouds and shit. So if it looks a little dark, that is why. I don't know. Maybe it'll be fine, and maybe I'm just tripping balls for no reason. We'll just see when I'm editing. Oh, I'm so glad that I waited until later in the day. It is currently 5:43, so the temperature has gone down a little bit because it was hot as balls earlier. One of my boys, his name is Deathcore Bree in the comments, was texting me earlier saying it was too hot. He wanted to go on a ride before he left for his trip, and he said he was sweating his balls off. So I was like, yeah man, I'm gonna wait till later because I was already sweating my balls off not being on a motorcycle. So yeah, recently these past 2 days I've just been helping my grandma with some stuff around the house. Right now I've been working on getting the living room painted. She's doing this cool kind of light green color. It's like a very subtle hint of teal, light green. It's nice. It looks good. I don't really know how to explain the color properly, but I like the color. And it's coming along good. I got most of the area that she wanted to get painted done. I spent a lot of time just doing little tedious work with a paintbrush today. And yeah, man, I don't know. It's just been vibing, doing things, getting shit done. Yeah, sure. I fucked up. I didn't go for my daily run today. I woke up a little later than I anticipated, and I really didn't want to go do it in the heat of the day, but I'll make sure to try to get up at a better time tomorrow so I can get out there and get that shit done before it gets too hot. Because I went on a run. I did the same path I did 2 days ago. I did it yesterday. I did the same amount, same distance, everything, but I fucking felt like I was finna die after the one I did yesterday, because I don't know, I might have just gotten too hot or something. Shit was crazy. I went inside, I was dripping sweat. I instantly went to the shower and just sprayed my head with some cold water, because I was like, man, I need to cool the fuck down my butt. Need to cool the fuck down my butt. I noticed with having this camera at 30 FPS, it's wild when I do like head movements, because it gives a motion blur effect because it's only 30 frames with the 1/60 shutter. So when I move my head around, it tends to be pretty blurry, but I like the way it looks for, you know, like the surroundings when I keep my head straight. It makes me look like I'm zooming, boy. It look like we going fast as hell. No, ah! Oh, we're good. I was like, man, get the fuck away from me. I went a different way today. I doubt y'all want me to go the same paths that I do in every video, so I just was like, let's go down the path that we did 4 videos ago, not last video. Oh man, y'all been showing hella love on the videos recently, and I just want to say I fucking appreciate y'all. We're almost at freaking 600 subs, so that is sick. They turn to left or right here, and you know, skirt. Man, these bugs have been getting so bad down here. If you ever been to South Georgia when it's fucking hot, Oh my god, these gnats and shit, man, they're so annoying. But I am just happy to have the heat back. It just, I don't know, everything down here just comes alive when we get heat. And it's a good thing, but also a bad thing. Like I said, the motherfucking bugs come alive too. So, hey, it is what it is. I don't know if y'all can see that, but the moon's up there, just chilling. Hey, bro, your shift hasn't started yet, my boy. Man's working too fucking hard out here. It's crazy. Damn, the speed limit sign looked like someone shit on it. I thought that was supposed to be a pond. Their yard's just flooded. Kind of curious. I've always seen this, and it's like a why can I just never say things? Oh fuck, that is muddy. Recreational, holy shit, I said it, area. I want to come check it out. Fucking taking the R6 off-roading, baby, let's get it. Oh, this might be a little too aggressive of off-roading though. Oh fuck, this might have been a bad idea. All right, let's just keep 2 wheels down. Oh, we're swerving all over the fucking place. Is there a boat ramp here? Oh, there is. What the fuck? This place is sick. I don't know if the bike's gonna stand up. Oh, brother. I've rode past this place a few times, but I never stopped by. This is sick. Wow. This looks like a bomb-ass place to fish. I don't know if any of y'all fish, but if you do, this looks like prime fucking real estate, brother. Prime fucking real estate. I need to get my fishing license and start fishing again. I used to fish a lot when I was younger and stuff, but the older I've gotten, the less I've put time into fishing, but it is a hobby that I enjoy, so I definitely need to get back into it. Alright, dude, it's crazy how easy my freaking front wheel turns. I'm gonna walk this bitch slow. Alright, we're good. Oh, this loose ass sand. I'm drifting all over the place. Oh. Alright. Man, I wish I could have like a rear angle to see if the sand flew up in the sky and how far and whatnot. Dude, I got stopped, you know, for that 2 seconds right there, and now I'm sweating my balls off. That was a mistake. No, it's cool. We're exploring. But it was still... Oh my god, I'm getting fucking stuck in the shit. Get all this sand off my wheels. Sorry, ADHD brain. Yeah, no, that shit, ooh. Woo. Right now, with the temperatures, you gotta keep moving to stay feeling alright. As soon as you stop for 2 seconds, you're done. Another thing about when the heat comes out in these little marshy areas, they get to smelling, boy. They start smelling crazy. It's like my jacket's just sticking to me. Weird. Usually it lets like at least a little bit of air through, but it just feels like my arms are the only thing getting air right now. I think this road goes to a dead end. Maybe it's not a dead end. I think it just turns into a dirt road. Yeah, it does. Kind of. I don't know. That way it doesn't, but we don't want a full R6 off-road video today. Maybe another day when I get lots of monies and can just off-road my R6 like a dirt bike. Do some C-Boys type shit. Dude, my nose is fucking itching like fuck. Oh, sorry. It's like I'm scratching a portion of it that's itching, and And the scratching is not helping. Like, I scratch it, the motherfucker still fucking itches. McDonald's Truck Care Dog Park. Interesting. Oh my god, dude, my nose. Oh, now I'm snotting. I'm snotting. Nice. Just to clarify, I wasn't scratching inside my nose. I was scratching the outside, but then some reason that nostril started oozing and goozing. And that sun is bright as hell in my eyeballs. Let me flip down my sunglass visor thing. Oh, what a view, brother. It is so nice out here recently, but it's just hot as balls. Man, this thing sounds so fucking good. My videos do not do my bike justice on how it sounds. It just doesn't. It's so much louder in person, but maybe when I get a new mic in the future, it'll pick up the audio of the exhaust a little better. I want to do another R6 pure sound video, but I want to figure out a way to get better audio for the exhaust, because it just doesn't sound good through the mic. As good as it could. Let me put it like that. I feel like most people just do it through the mic in their helmet. I'm thinking about maybe, because I have the two GoPros, right? I was thinking about, you know, just have this GoPro recording and then have like another GoPro set up hanging underneath my seat or something, so it blocks a little bit of wind, but it's closer to the exhaust. I don't know, just a plan. Oh yeah, I forgot about this shit. Ha! Oh, anybody else just be making random ass noises in their helmet? Because me too, brother, me too. Where are you turning? There's no way you put your blinker on to turn all the way at the end of this road. You better be turning right here. I ain't still. No, there is no. Damn, bruh. This man wants me to know where he's turning. Bro, put that shit on damn near a mile out. A mile out, brother. I'm gonna go to the right. I'm gonna go right now. Right now. I'm gonna go right now. Oh, man. And that's like half the problem on why I go fast. It's not even really to go fast all the time. It's because I want to hear this baby sing to me, because she's got them pipes, brother. Woo! I made that more aggressive because I sat down right in the dip, and then when it popped back up, I was like, I was on a bull, brother. Throw your hands up. Ride that bull, baby. Go with the flow of the motion of the ocean, brother. I'm just yapping at this point. Skirt on. Oh, so good. There's lots of leaves and stuff. I'm not trying to hit that too fast. Man, relax. Speed limit's 25 right here. I did not know all that. Y'all really ain't gonna be able to see shit down this road. It's darker than hell. We in a tunnel, brother. This road is sick. I've only been down this road like a handful of times, but I don't remember it looking this cool. I hope y'all can see, because it's nice. It's a nice little road right here. They turning, they turning. Oh yeah, I forgot. I got my PC back today, so that's good. Last video was edited on my phone, but I got the same software on my phone that I got on my computer, so no biggie. Just like it took a lot longer to upload. It damn near took a whole day to upload the shit for some reason. I don't know, because I started it the day before it went live. Like, I started it that night and it got to like 60%, and then I waited till the next day and then started uploading again, and it took like another few hours or so. I was like, damn, dude. So I'm happy to have my computer back to be able to do it, because it does it a lot better because it's connected Ethernet. But yeah, you know, video still turned out good. I like that video. I really did like the video that I just filmed. It was good. It was funny, in my opinion, and everyone else is seeming to enjoy it, so fuck yeah, can't complain. Oh, let me stretch my freaking woo. Twerk on them. I'm sorry, but I would never stay at that motel. That place just looks sketchy as fuck. I'm sweaty. I'm sorry, y'all are just gonna hear me complain a shit ton about fucking sweating my gooch off, but it's hot, bro. It's hot as shit. I'm trying to wear my gear because good boy. So I don't know, it's like trade of gear or fucking me complaining about sweat. Either way, I'm gonna be fucking saying it's hot, so you're just gonna have to deal with it, and I hope that you love me enough to deal with it, you know? Good. Ate there last night, had me a chicken burrito. Shit was bussin'. Think we having some spaghetti tonight. Y'all might think I'm weird as fuck, but I put like a decent amount of ranch in my spaghetti. That shit's bussin'. If you never tried it, give it a try. I don't know, people think I'm weird, but that shit just makes it so, like, the sauce so creamy. And I also put ranch in my chili because it makes it more creamy and it's good too. Mac and cheese sometimes is good with like ranch and some buffalo sauce. I don't know, I'm just weird, but that shit's good. This car is hauling badootie dick. I don't know what the fuck badootie dick is, but fuck it. Alright guys, this might be a little bit shorter of a video, but I just wanted to go for a ride before it got dark, after it cooled down a little bit. So I hope y'all enjoyed. If you did, fucking leave a like, drop a sub down below, and a comment while you're there, letting me know how you liked the video, how your day was, all that shit. I'm about to go to the crib, fucking eat some food and chill on the game with the boys, because I haven't been able to do that. So I will see y'all later.